Hi friends, welcome back to MomovalltradesDIY. Tia here, and today we are going to have another Dollar Tree walkthrough. And in today's Dollar Tree walkthrough, you will see Valentine's, spring stuff, St. Patrick's Day, and Easter is out in Dollar Tree. So start with Valentine's. I have these cute bathroom sponges. It says love you XOX, and then I'm wild about you, these heart-shaped candies and these glow multi-packs. And look at these socks. And then I saw this box which is full of toys, different kind of squishy little toys. And then I found this cutest gnome ever. Isn't it cute? And then there are many ribbons that I'll show you later in the video, and this lip glosses with the keychain and this foot scrubber. It's a heart shape. I think it's really nice. And then I saw these Disney princess fabric dress designers, and I think looks like it has ribbons inside that your daughter can design, and if you give as a gift, the girls can enjoy. And look at these napkins. They're all different cutest heart shapes. And when I saw these plates, I got super excited. They're coming 18 pieces in a pack, and I think it's perfect. It's a great bargain. And then moved on to these popcorn cups. And look at these. I think they're 2 or 3 coming in a pack. And then these are plastic, but it's perfect for the gifts and putting the candies inside. And check out these table covers, and look at these cute confetti plates, heart-shaped plates, and these cute baskets and different design of socks. And then I found this mine mitten. I love it so much. And these glasses, they're glass, and I think they're super cute. And then I moved on to these cups, and I think the red is out in Dollar Tree. And check out these banners and different signs. And check out these heart-shaped candies are out. And then I moved on to the Easter stuff, and I got super excited to see those cute buckets that has a bunny and a chick on it. And look at these cutest beautiful color, and this is only $1.25. Amazing. I love the colors, and I think it's a beautiful display to display your Easter decor, or if you want to use it all year long. It's perfect. And check out these cute chicks. These are bunnies, eggs, and coloring cups. And look at this. I love this. This is so cute. That's such a cute decor. And check out these basket bags, and look at this towel. Isn't it cute? And there are some carrots that you can put some candies in, or any kind of gift. And check out these decorative mesh and these little bunny decor. There are 2 pieces, and this to put your eggs in these bunny shaped egg trays, and these cups. And then February is also coming with Super Bowl, and Super Bowl decor is out. If you're having a party or get together to watch the Super Bowl, I think Dollar Tree has perfect gift for you, perfect setup for you, and perfect decor for you. And check out these bags and rose flowers, and these different designs bags. Llamas are there. And check out these fabric gift bags, and these treat bags, and these cutest stamps, fortune cookies, and more fabric bags, 2 in a pack. And these party favors. And check out these 6 pieces of heart straws. I really like that. So I'm gonna put them in the cart. And check out these squishy toys, and they're coming 2 in a pack. So I think my daughter's gonna be very happy when I get her all these cute stuff from Dollar Tree today. And check out different baskets and signs and some banner signs and galvanized that has a love on it, and different tub basket. And check out these jumbo craft hearts. There are too many for crafts. And check out these totes. They're so cute. It's so pretty. And these gift bags, they're two pieces in a bag and then three pieces in a bag. We go together like milk and cookies. So check out this one. And then on the left they have St. Patrick Day decor, some signs and beautiful socks. And there's some fuzzy socks that I spotted. I'm gonna show you in a while. And check out these pom-pom decors, and perfect for children to do some crafty stuff. And check out these rainbows. I love rainbows. My daughter really loves rainbows, so I'm getting one to display on her door. And these are the one that I was talking about. These fuzzy ones, they are super cute. And the gnomes one, so the gnomes is the fuzzy part, but all the other one is like a normal socks. And check out these heart shaped decor, more of that on this side, and some mesh decor. And then I found these diamond shapes LED lights. Check out these, they're super cute. Oh my god, I was blown away when I saw these velvet. I love velvet, and when I saw these velvet ribbons, they were super cute. I was so happy, so I got a couple of these. And then check out these necklaces and these doilies in different colors, red, pink, and white. They're coming like 30 in a pack. And check out these craft kits. Aren't they cute? They're coming like as rocket and dinosaurs and some puppies and elephants. Amazing. And check out, I was talking about the ribbons. These were the ribbons. And I got so happy when I found this watering stack. I actually got some of mine from Temu. I didn't know the Dollar Tree has it too. And check out these, they have like different colors: blue, green, purple, and clear. Oh my god, they are super cute. They're perfect when you're not home and you can just fill up water inside and leave it for a few days. And I also bought this flower pot. It looks very sturdy, and it has like a small little hole down. And I love these flowers. They look amazing. The bunch was amazing. And when I check out the Dollar Tree Plus section, it was so full. And trust me guys, it's competing with Michael and Joanne at this time, because I have been to those store, and especially the Easter time, they have like, they're competing. They have the same stuff, but it's a little bit cheaper in Dollar Tree. So it's like $3 for this garland. And check out this beautiful ceramic bunny inside and the chicken side. And these are the candles. They're $3. I think it's a really good bargain. And check out these fluffy kind bunnies, like velvety shape on it, like fabric on it. But and check out these double trays, a display tray with the bunny ears on it. I love this section. I love spring. I'm a spring child, and I get attracted to all these pastel colors. And check out these garlands. I thought they were wood, but then I checked it. No, it's foam. But look at the work on it, the color. It looks like they're made of wood. And look at these Happy Valentine's bouquets. These rose like boxes, the sets. And check out this kissing. What was that called? Rose kissing ball. It's super cute. I think it's perfect for the decoration. Love you more, be mine. I love this bouquet. Look at this. It's chunky. It's only for $3, and I think it's a bargain. It's really good. And this be mine sign has sequins on it. Table runner. And check out this beautiful wreath, and these different wreath over here. If you're crafty, you can just go get it from like $1.25 and make a couple of these. And check out these BPA free bottles, and check out these containers. They're coming 4 in one pack, and then 3 coming in one pack. And then I saw these beautiful candle bougie, and look at the design on it. Let me bring it a little bit more closer so you can see the design on it. Is super cute. And these taper candles, and check out these cutest candle holders. I've never seen that before. I think they're new in Dollar Tree. If you're a gold team, you can get the gold one, and if you're a silver team, then you can get the silver one. And check out these sunflowers turn soul scented candle, birch and wine. I think it looks like a very good quality, and it has cute bees on it, honey bees on it. And check out this candle, and I like the texture on it. And check out this other one, and some good smells for the bathroom. So I couldn't really smell it from outside, so I just can't really tell if it's good to keep in my bathroom, so I didn't really buy it. Check out these different candles, whole candle holder in different colors. And then I saw these flower pots. They look really good quality, especially these $5 one. They're not ceramic, they're plastic, but I think they're good plastic, and the texture and the design is really good. It's top notch, so I really like that. And these red color, I really like red color, and some frozy. And check out these candle holder. Now they have gold and black. And then I moved to dollar plus section, where I found these paintbrushes and dried flowers. And check out this opaque warm dye. I've never dyed, so I never tried these. Check out these balls, they're good size. And these stitch and weft, what is that? Yeah, stitch and weft. They're coming 3. I think it's a cute design. And check out these stacked egg, and some more wreaths for Easter. And check out these soap dispenser and these standing bunnies. I think it's good for $5. And check out these cutest cushions, dinosaur, whale, and a butterfly. I love pink and red, so I'm getting this for my daughter. And check out these new baskets at Dollar Tree. And then they have July 4th in Dollar Tree, and chair cover, and different signs for Independence Day. And check out these new design basket. They're like more oval shaped. Before they have like more of round shape. That's my cart. I found those little mushrooms, and I'm going to get 3 of them because they're super cute. And yeah, they're down there. I like the red color. And getting out of Dollar Tree, I saw these balloons, and I had to make that video for you guys. Now they have